Following are the important events of the 20th of February in Indian and world history. Today in history 1726. American revolutionary leader and freedom fighter William Prescott was born. He died on the 15th of October 1795. 1792. George Washington, the first American president to free the United States from slavery, signed the Postal Service Act. Delivery of a letter for 30 miles was arranged for 6 cents, and for 150 miles at 12 cents. 1835. Calcutta Medical College started functioning. 1846. The British occupied Lahore. 1872. A paper-making machine was patented by Luther Crowell. 1872. The Metropolitan Museum of Art opened on February 20, 1872 in New York City. 1888 Amrit Bazar Patrika started his first weekly in Bengali language. 1904. Former Prime Minister of Soviet Russia Alexei Kosygin was born. 1921. Reza Khan Pahlavi, the Emperor of Iran, had gained control over Iran. It came to an end after the 1979 Iranian Revolution, in which he fled Iran and fled to another country, and an Islamic government was established in Iran. 1958. The Indian Press Council was established in New Delhi. 1959. Press Club of India was established in New Delhi. 1960 Fidel Castro, the leader of Cuban iron and steel importers from the United States, announced the nationalization of all Cuban trade. 1963 America, the pioneer of peace in the world, tested the nuclear bomb at the Nevada test site. 1966. Indonesian President Sukarno sacked General Nasution. 1972. U.S. President Mr. Richard Nixon visited China to improve relations. He was the first U.S. president to visit China. 1973. An Israeli warplane shot down a Libyan aircraft, killing 108 people. 1974. The Israeli army withdrew from western Suez. Yugoslavia adopted the constitution. 1987. The Syrian army entered Beirut, the capital of Lebanon, the evacuation of which was completed in 2006. 1991. Indian actress Nutan passed away. 1991. The Soviet Union, Russia, announced that Iraq was ready to end the Gulf War. But the United States said the plan was unacceptable. 1998. Indian actor Om Prakash passed away. 2013. 17 people killed, 119 injured in serial bomb blasts in Hyderabad, India.